one track right there, Gabe. It doesn't split to the other side of the road, so he's blocking the road. He's blocking all lines. Something's wrong with that train. Maybe a car came unhooked or they had some issue. I don't know what happened yet. I don't know, but you know what? As long as that train's sitting there. Police should be here.
Why?
Every time a train stops, the police show up.
Really?
So what the fuck are they gonna do though? You know?
Yeah.
Tell them to move it? That's a guy climbing up on it. It looked like it was moving because he blocked the lights.
It's moving.
No, it's not. Two. Somebody else sitting there watching it, too.
Yeah.
Because the guy walked in front of him. That guy that walked down the tracks, he walked across them to get on the train again. I think it's going to move in a second here. I really do. Yeah, you'll know when it's going to move.
Quiet, Gabe.
Kendall, what, Gabe? Is he moving?
Yeah, looks like it.
Stop!
No, he's excited. Here we go.
We got time.
We have time, Gabe. We're faster than him.
Good, my truck is faster than the train.
Now make a video.
I am, Gabe. Kendall, don't. You were for a long time.
Hey, turn my window on.
What? He's, I swear.
I know.
Be a little punk. Whoa, Shane.
Get it in that clear spot, huh?
I'm trying to roll down the window. Wipers.
They're broken.
Oh.
What'd you do?
For some reason it wasn't clear, but now it is.
Did you shut it off and start it?
Yep.
Make a yarn one.
No, this is like my 4th video.
Mom,
of this thing.
make a yarn video.
I am. No, I took it. I was taking it. It wasn't as clear, but now it's clear.
And window down. He's lying down. He's lying down.
Okay, Kendall. Through my window. I wonder if it was a signal or something. Must have been.
There was nothing on the train.
And they were walking over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it must have been something with the signal.
Walking over these signal box, I think. You see when I came through the road from work, they had like 3 CN trucks parked in the signal box. No.
They're always here.
See those? What's up? See on those trailers? Those are frames that go under trucks like this, under truck parts. No. Those are truck frames. They haul parts for the auto builders. Those are truck frames. That's what goes underneath this truck that holds the wheels on.
Do the wipers again.
Frames too. Why? Frames too, right there.
Yeah, those are truck frames. It's going to be a lot of trucks. Just give me one. The trucks are
Want
right
some
over.
popcorn?
What?
CN Union Pacific.
Want some popcorn?
It's getting cold in here. I got to put the windows up.
They have a big gas car? No. It's done with the window. They have a big gas car?
No, black ones.
Black, Deb.
I already seen a BNSF car.
It's gonna go fast.
Oh, it's picking up speed.
Do your wipers again. What?
Long train.
Oh, double stack.
No?
Oh no. My bad.
No, I thought that was a good one. Where? That's a good. No, it's not. Wow. There's a caboose.
Mom, cook it. Really? Give it to me. Cook it, Mom. Mom, cook. I wash it.
No, not now. Wait till we get home.